Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on your PC using an ESP32 or ESP8266 with the help of Arduino Cloud and Alexa. It's a fun and useful project, so let's get started. Here's the things you'll need. A transistor, pretty much any transistor will do. Some jumper wires, some wire to extend the cables, an ESP32 or ESP8266 and a PC of course. Step 1. Connect to the startup pins. First, get your hands on the startup pins of your PC. These are the pins that connect to your case's power button. We'll use jumper wires to connect these pins to our ESP. To do this, you can use a male to female jumper cable, cut it in half and connect both the start cable of the PC and the motherboard pin. This way you can still use the start button of your case without any issues. Step 2. Set up the transistor. Next we need to set up the transistor. A transistor has 3 pins: collector, base and emitter. Here's how you'll connect them. Connect one wire of the switch button to the collector. Connect the other wire to the emitter. Also connect the ground of the ESP to the emitter. Now connect the base of the transistor to the D21 pin of the ESP32. This will allow us to send the signal to the transistor. Step 3. Configure the ESP32 with Alexa. Now that the hardware setup is done, let's configure our ESP32 to work with Alexa. First, set up the Arduino Cloud. If you're not sure how to do this, you can find plenty of tutorials online. I'll focus on the key part here. When we receive the turn on signal from Alexa, we will send a signal to the transistor for 0.5 seconds to turn on the PC. For error handling, we'll set the PC to off status in the Arduino Cloud so that we can avoid errors with Alexa. We also won't do anything upon receiving the off signal because sometimes Alexa sends an off signal when you turn off the whole room. You wouldn't want your PC to turn on randomly while turning off your lights, right? You can get the sketch link in the description. And that's it. You can now flex your auto on PC setup. Alexa, turn on my computer.
Okay.
If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. If you want help, join our Discord server, link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.